What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the K9 Bug Zapper. This Bug Zapper is 2000 volts. We are going to go ahead and unbox this thing. Alright, and as I said, what's included is already here. As soon as you open the box, you get what? The instructions. You get a brush. This thing is well packed, and of course you have the Bug Zapper. Weighs 1.4 kg, and you can do your own conversion into pounds if you're into pounds. Alright, put this onto the side. Alright, now I want to say that this should be the Mercedes of bug zappers. This is not your ordinary bug zapper. This bug zapper has features as far as night sensor on it, so it senses when it's nighttime and it comes on. And this thing has a fan. The bugs just fly their way in there. It has a fan, so it actually has suction. So that is another key point of this bug zapper power button right here. So you can actually turn this all the way around. If you want to, you can have it sideways like that. As I do most of my bug zapper products, I've spent a few days with it. This one is more indoors. It says don't put it in high humidity or water. So with that being said, I will not have this out in the rain. Alright you guys, so right here on the bottom, it has nice foam protection, so if you put this on your table, you don't have to worry about sliding and scratching your table. On top of that, they have a hook. So this is hybrid. Alright, you can have this outside, but once again, I believe you can't have this in the rain. Alright, we will double check that. As I double check that, I will put the facts right here for you. That way I can fact check myself. Alright you guys, so let me go ahead and put this thing to the test. I will be testing this out a couple of days, and I will get back with y'all with the data. Okay you guys, so we are out here the next day. We have left the K9 Bug Zapper overnight. We left it outside. We left it out front. Usually I will leave it out back, but it did rain like crazy. I know this thing cannot be, at least it said keep away from water from the wherever I read it at. I think I read it on the box or somewhere it said keep away from water. So I don't really want to get water on this one because this is indoor and outdoor, and I mainly might have it indoor because I am trying to control the little gnats and stuff around the plants. So let's go ahead and check out how many bugs that this thing zapped. Wow, we got a lot of little bugs up in here. Alright, now what they said is there is a mosquito tray on here. On the bottom there's a tray here, and that is the tray to catch the bugs, but most of the bugs is on the electrical grid. Now the electrical grid is still on. I didn't put it on the auto light sensing, in which I will show y'all that in a little bit. But you see these grooves right here? To put it back on, you simply have to line it up with these notches. There's 2 notches on the inside. You have to line this up and twist, and it should stay in place. So line this up with the notches, twist, and that's it. I will turn the machine off so I can go ahead and brush all of these bugs that is in here, and then I'll take the grid back off, well, the bug tray back off. Got the power button, and it went off. Right, touch the power button again, it comes on. Touch it again, it goes off, which is good because most of the bug zappers that I basically got from Walmart and other Amazon products, they don't have an on and off switch on the bug zapper. So you go in here, you clean all your bugs. The only thing that I can say is that they could have made the brush just a tad bit skinnier, that way it's easier to fit in, but it still fits in. To clean the bugs off, all you do is just put your brush in and go at it. Go up and down, put it on this side, push it in, go up and down, and get all the bugs off of your electrical grid. On the side it has a light sensor, so you can turn your light sensor on, or you can just do this manually, however you turn on and off something. But for the ones who like to be eco-friendly and just like to save energy without thinking and without having to hit buttons, this thing has a auto light sensor. So right here is your auto light sensor indicator. Alright, so when you turn the power on, the power comes on. So none of these lights come on. You see the grids come on right there. Now, it has to be in the on mode for you to turn the auto light sensor on. So you have to hold it down for 3 seconds. And you see the auto light sensor came on right there. Now, since the auto light sensor on, it since the light inside of our house is on. Now let me go ahead and turn the lights off. Now it's a little delay, but it will come on. You have to give it maybe a few seconds or so, and then it should turn on. And there you go. So the light came on by itself. All right. And this will happen outside. It senses the light with the window. So I do have my window right here. Right now I'm in front of my window. When I go away from the window, you see that? Again, my shadow is on the sensor. Now I'm off. Hand on the sensor, hand off the sensor. Alright, so this is the sensor right here, you guys. Alright, and I think that is probably one of the coolest features that makes this thing the Mercedes of the bug zappers. That's about it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I will try to get back to y'all as soon as possible. But yeah, this thing is eco-friendly, nice design. If you want to put this in a dome position like this, it's also fun to have it like this, or however you want to put this design. This thing is cool. We are done with this review. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I will put a whole list right there of the things you shouldn't do, and they have it in their instructions. That's why I'm gonna put the list right there. And that will be it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.